Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. Guys, these are completely our probable solutions. If you are new to our channel, definitely subscribe our channel. Definitely like the video. If you like the video, our video will reach more number of students. So please do that guys, and definitely subscribe our channel and click on bell icon for more updates if you got benefited through our channel. And definitely share this video within your WhatsApp college groups. Now let's see the first question of week 7. Given the following permutation, what is the previous permutation in lexicographic, means dictionary order? So this is the previous. So this is the permutation. So now let's see the answer. So start the double quotations guys, single or double quotations while writing the string. So this is the solution guys. So I'm zooming this for your convenience. GHADBFJIEC. This is the probable solution. Now let's see the second one. So guys, for the second question, third option is the probable solution. So third option is the probable solution. Now let's move on to the third one. Now let's move on to the third question. Suppose we add this function to the class tree that implements search trees for my tree for a name my tree with a value of type tree. What would mytree.foo? So the function foo here. So what does this compute? So the answer is fourth option guys, the number of root to leaf paths in the tree. So mark fourth option as the probable solution for third question. Now let's move on to the fourth one. The post order traversal of a binary search tree with integer values producing the following sequence: 22, 38, 28, 49, 48, 58, 61, 52 and 45. What is the value of the left child of the root of the tree? So for fourth and final question 28, second option is the probable solution. So friends, these are the most probable solutions for week 7 quiz assignment of the course Programming Data Structures and Algorithms using Python. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, definitely subscribe our channel, definitely like the video, and please share this with your friends and classmates. So that's it guys for this video. So keep supporting us like this forever. So until the next video, goodbye, thank you.